Well, several people are feared to be trapped under a debris after a four-story building collapsed in Jalandhar. The reason for the collapse is not yet known. A team of the army has been rushed to the spot to help in the rescue operations. A team of the NDRF has also been called. The incident took place around midnight at the building that housed a blanket-making factory. Shamsher from Jalandhar sends this report.
This is the ill-fated building of this blanket factory in Jalandhar, which came down late last night, little after 11, and several people are still believed to be trapped under the debris, although over 30 people have already been taken out and they've been rushed to the hospital. One death has been confirmed by the district administration, but this was a four-story concrete structure which came down literally like a pack of cards late last night. Nobody knows the reason why. This building is not very old one. This came up barely 2 to 3 years ago, and blankets were manufactured here for export purposes. Quite a huge building spread over 22,000 square feet. The area. People, although nobody knows the exact number, but the number of people who are working inside is put anything between 50 and 150. The administration hasn't so far got the attendance register so that it could be ascertained the number of people who were inside, but so far nothing to corroborate that. The heavy rain which is falling at the moment has hampered the rescue work. The Punjab police Jawans had been carrying out the rescue work since the time of the incident. A team of NDRF and the army have been sought. The NDRF team is on its way from Bathinda, which will be here any moment, but till that time you can see due to heavy rain the rescue work is hampered, and there are, although at some places wherever voices are heard of those trapped inside, they are still, the rescue workers are still trying to get them out, extricate them out of this debris, but very, very difficult. They are equipped only with very primitive gas cutters. They are relying on them, but one can obviously make out from the debris, the extent of damage that it must have caused to the people who are still inside. At the moment, even the administration is not in a position to kind of ascertain the damage in terms of human life. Vidyesh Palawat in Jalandhar, Shamsher for Times Now.